So you want to sound like a native speaker in just one sentence, huh? People learning English tell me all the time that they're struggling with grammar. Let me show you a super simple trick, alright? You probably know something like, I was tired, so I didn't go out. Here's how natives upgraded using would've and past participle. I would've gone out, but I was exhausted. Check this out. Now let's make it sound even more American with some slang. Since y'all like it when I teach you some slang. You ready? We could say, honestly, I would have gone, but I was beat. Beat means very tired. One more. You ready for this one? I would have helped, but things got crazy. And crazy just means hectic or unexpected. So here's a grammar tip. Use would've for past situations that didn't happen. It makes your English sound natural and fluent. So try this trick today and your English will sound next level just like a native. Alright, go ahead, give it a shot and practice, practice, practice.